Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are out of town, but I brought my green woodworking stuff so I can make a video. Let's make the first chop. The videos I've been seeing, they kind of just hold it and okay, yeah, that's looking pretty good. This is a pretty good exercise. Okay. I'm going to do that a few more times. Okay, we are making progress. This is where I am currently at. Used a free template and traced the little pocket spoon. Let's start axing. I got a chair to sit on. We have some stumps here. I don't know how the guys on YouTube make this look so easy. There's this nice crack here that I'm going to start working on. Let's keep going. Got a little bit more of the waste removed. There's still a lot of work to do. I've seen where they saw here and saw here to axe down on each side of the spoon. Going to move the tripod over a little bit just to kind of get a different view. I got one of the sides done. Going to do the other side on some non-hyperlapse. They do this thing where they kind of bang the saw down to chip off pieces. I'm trying to do that and it seems a little dangerous, but it is kind of working, and try to not make very big cuts so I don't cut myself. We are making progress. It is looking a little bit like a spoon. Going to move the tripod over here just to get a different chopping angle and let's do some good old real-time work. And my goal is to get it not very close because I'm okay using the knife more than the axe, is what I'm guessing. But I know if I don't do most of this, it will be a lot when I'm actually carving.